Story Emporium. Try creating another story. Choose a story. Tap the blue arrows for more stories. Tap the green play button to choose a story. Color fun! Can you help the wombats make up a new game using colors? Color fun! First, choose where your story takes place. The Sow and Grow Garden. Choose who is in your story. Louisa. Choose what they do in your story. What color will they say? Say red. When you're ready to read your story and see what happens, tap the check mark. If you want to change any parts of your story, tap the blue arrows. Tap the green play button to start reading. Color fun! One day in the Sow and Grow Garden, the wombats make up a new game. Here's the rule. When someone says a color, we'll all act the same. Along comes Louisa, holding a shiny new ball. Would you like to see my new toy? My ball will be fun for all. I made sure to get the color I like best. I really think red is better than the rest. Red is the secret color. The wombats know just what to do. They dance like robots. What's going on? Says Louisa. I don't have a clue. Is this all part of a game? When I said red, you all danced the same. You worked it out, the wombat said with a grin. Then they all danced the robot. Everyone wins. The end. Wow, what a fun story to read. This is the same ending we read before. I love it. But is there anything you could change in your story to create a new ending?